Take a moment to check out the 2016 Toyota Tundra. This vehicle still has fewer than 30,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Get the features you need and the comfort and style you've been hoping for. This well-equipped vehicle is an excellent value and will help you make the most of every drive. All you need to do is relax and enjoy the ride. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, 8-cylinder engine, fog lamps, trailer hitch, stability control, tow hooks, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, brake actuated limited slip differential,